You need to hear this if you're a puzzle lover. Got a minute for a riddle? I've got a juicy riddle for you today. Listen closely. I have no flesh, no feathers, no scales, no bones. Yet I have fingers and thumbs of my own. What am I? Think you got it? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you're stumped, don't worry, I'll reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. It's a pair of gloves. How many of you got it right? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. And if you loved this riddle, don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain-tickling fun. Catch you next time, Puzzle Masters.